Fewer cases being reported in Vermont, officials are optimistic, but the governor says he is not ready to ease up on mitigation measures yet. Local 22's Brittany Weir has more tonight from Montpelier.
Yes, the governor's administration is working to find places for people who test positive for the coronavirus but can't safely isolate at their home. The Holiday Inn in South Burlington will be used as a primary site starting this week. This is for people who tested positive but do not require hospitalization, and this is just a temporary arrangement.
That can mean a variety of populations, from healthcare workers to others that don't have a home to safely isolate.
People who are currently housed at the Holiday Inn through the state's emergency housing program will be relocated to another facility.
The COVID-19 pandemic is unlike anything our state and country has ever experienced. It's going to take all of us working together to help our state and neighbors recover.
Dr. Mark Levine says serologic testing is an important part of the future. You may have heard of it. It's a blood test to see if there are antibodies to coronavirus.
So it implies that you have been infected with the coronavirus, whether you had an illness that you could clearly state was that illness, or perhaps whether you were asymptomatic.
Over the weekend, Dr. Levine made a group of medical professionals to find the best test out there by the end of the week.
We will do this in Vermont, but in a scientifically and public health informed, deliberate, strategic, and evidence-based manner.
According to Governor Phil Scott, Vermont has been recognized as one of the top 5 states to comply with mitigation measures.
And if these trends continue and we continue to flatten the curve, we'll slowly be able to get back to normal, although it may be a different normal than we had before.
Governor Scott said he is not ready to let up on his executive order, so the Holiday Inn will be used to hold patients until the state of emergency is lifted. The hotel can hold up to 150 patients, and the site is prepared with a full staff. In South Burlington, Brittany Weir, Local 22 News.